Okay, welcome back to this video. In the last video, we talked about semitones. Right? We said that a semitone was the smallest distance between two notes. Okay, that makes sense, right? So a semitone above G would be G sharp, right? Makes sense. A semitone below E would be E flat, right? We looked at how a sharp and a flat means upwards and downwards, right? Sharp. We looked at that at the end of the last, or during the last video, right? This lesson here, what I would like to do is talk about something called a tone, right? So we know what a semitone is. A tone is two semitones. Okay, that's a very, very simple definition. A tone is two semitones. All right, so that's fine. You might say, yep, got it, that's easy. Sure, semitone, shortest distance between two notes, and a tone is two semitones. All right, so how does this relate to the keyboard? So I'm gonna pick a note. All right, I don't think you need me to write these anymore. You should be very comfortable with knowing what these notes are now. There's only 7 you need to learn, C up to B, and then it just repeats. That's why the keyboard is a very useful instrument when thinking about music theory, because it is just set up in such a logical way. Okay, so for the purposes of learning about what a tone is, I'm going to pick a note and I'm going to say, I want you to tell me what a tone above or below is, and I'm going to see if you can work out what that note is. Remember, a semitone, shortest distance, right? Between two notes. Yeah? All right, so let's have a go. This note right here is a D. What would be a tone above? So D, a tone above. Pause the video, see if you can work it out, and your answer should be something. All right? Okay, if you said an E, you would be correct. Let's work out why. A D, there's our D. A tone is two semitones. So let's do one semitone. There's one semitone, the shortest distance. Let's do another semitone. There is the second semitone. What is this note here? That is indeed an E. Good. Let's try another one. I'm going to choose this note. Well, let's just maybe get rid of this. I'm going to choose this note here. Can you tell me what a tone, this note is G, a tone below? Okay, pause the video and see if you can work out what a tone below G is. All right, if you said F, you would be exactly correct. Let's work out why. Here is our G, a semitone. Remember, a tone is two semitones. So let's work out two semitones, right? Two semitones. So tone, two semitones. There's one semitone, right? This note right here, G flat or F sharp. G flat is one semitone away, right? Let's put the number one semitone. We need two. So let's go down again because we're going below, down. So one more. There is our second semitone. And the note we have arrived at is indeed F. So if you got that, well done. If not, that's okay. That's what these videos are for. Just let's try to do another one. I'm going to try to trick you on this one. Let's do, okay, let's go over here. Let's say, let's choose a different color. One tone above let's say E. What is one tone above E? And I'll encourage you to pause the video, think about it, and tell me, and well, yeah, have the answer ready for when you start, press play again. All right, if you said F sharp, you're exactly right. And let's work out why. Here is our E. One tone is 2 semitones. So let's count up 2 semitones. There is our first semitone. There is our second semitone. Now we need to work out what this note is. This black note here. What is it? Well, we've talked about that. There is our C, there is our D, there is our E, there is our F, there is our G. What note is this? It is, let's change pens, an F sharp, which is how we got F sharp. If your answer was G flat, G flat, you're also technically correct. So well done. There is lots more to think about this, but for now I think that is perfect. If you are able to pick a note and tell someone what a semitone above or below is, what the names of these notes are, and then if you are able to take a note and say what note a tone above or below is, then you're doing really, really well. And I think I'll stop the video. Oh, I'll do one more. This note here, and I'll do it. This note here, I want you to tell me a tone below. Okay, pause the video and we'll find out what the answer is when you come back. Okay, a tone below. If you said B or C flat, you're correct. Let's work out why. One tone below. This is a D flat or a C sharp. Let's go one below. There's a C. That's one semitone. Let's do another semitone. There's our second semitone to our B. B or C flat. Right? I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, I encourage you to rewind the video, have another look at it, and hopefully this will start to sink in. Because to know the difference between a tone and a semitone is very, very important for what we are going to look at in the future. Okay, so the tone and the semitone. You should be able to say, yep, a semitone is the shortest distance between two notes, and a tone is 2 semitones. That needs to be ingrained into your heads, okay, into your brains. You need to know that. So yeah, good. All right, I think I will leave the video there for now, and I will see you in the next video.